Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of Java not opening JAR files on your computer. This problem can be frustrating, but don't worry, we'll walk through the solution step by step. First, check Java installation. Open command prompt or terminal. Type Java version to check if Java is installed and the version. If Java is not recognized, download and install the latest version from java.com. Then right-click on a .jar file on your desktop or in File Explorer. Select Open With, then choose another app or Get Info. Choose Java from the list of programs or browse to find the Java executable on Windows, that is java.exe. Now search for environmental variables in Windows Search and open. In Systems Properties, click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path and edit it to include the path to your Java installation. For example, C. In C file, go to Program, then Files, then Java, then the following. Now, open Terminal. Edit your shell configuration file, that is .bash underscore profile or .bash rc for like that example, and click on Add Export. Ensure no conflicting Java installation or version are causing issues. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video helped you resolve the issue of Java not opening JAR files on your system.